Hi, I'm Kevin with Calco Plumbing, Heating, and Air Conditioning, located here in Irvine, California, serving all of Orange County. And today we're going to talk about high water pressure. Is that a bad thing for my plumbing system? Well, what water pressure is the amount of pressure against coming into your home. So when you open that faucet or flush a toilet, the pressure is what pushes that water through those fixtures. And there's a tool to measure that pressure, and most homes in Southern California have pressure regulators that regulate the pressure coming into their home, that protect the home from too high of a pressure. That tool, by the way, is about a $10 tool you can get at any hardware store, and it'll screw onto a hose bib anywhere on the outside of your home. You just turn it on, it'll tell you what your pressure is, or you can give us a call and we'll come out and take care of that for you. We typically do that test every time we're in your home anyway, so but that can change after we leave too. So some of the signs of high pressure or noises that you're going to hear throughout the plumbing when you turn things on, or you'll feel a lot of force. There could be a pounding sound when things are shut off or turned on. So be aware of any irregular noises when you're operating your plumbing system. And the pressure regulator is typically located, it's a bell-shaped item that typically located where your point of entry is into your home, where your plumbing line comes into your home, and that's where your shutoff is to the whole house. If you don't know where that is, that's an important thing to know. And so manufacturers of every product, including water heaters, toilets, faucets, any pressure over 80 pounds voids the warranty. So a lot of people like the high pressure, but it's terrible for your plumbing. There's a difference between high pressure and good volume. So if you're having some volume issues, we can address that, and 60 to 65 psi of pressure is more than enough. If that's not enough, then you probably have some volume issues, meaning you're not getting enough water through the particular fixture. And that could be related to a number of other items that are unrelated. But if you're having, if you're noticing drippy faucets, if you're noticing your toilets running continuously, that could be also a symptom of high pressure. Pressure systems, these systems are designed to shut off at 80 or below. And when they stop, when you get this excessive pressure against them, they'll create all kinds of leaks. And it actually becomes very, very expensive, because not only do you have to replace your regulator, now you have to replace a lot of the plumbing fixtures that started to leak because they've worn out all those seals. So give us a call if you're having some issues with pressure, if you're hearing some weird noises. Our number's up here on the screen. Again, my name's Kevin with Calco Plumbing, Heating, and Air.